This is like not your typical margarita. The smokiness of the mezcal comes through really nicely and balances with that fresh squeezed lime, the depth of the blood orange, and then that tart blueberry. It gives it a savoriness, but still sweet and fruity. It is just classy, complex, beautiful margarita at a whole new level. So let's go shopping. All right, so first for our margarita, we are gonna actually use mezcal. It is double distilled in a pot still, so it's gonna have a lot of character to it and nice smokiness, which I love the smoky element paired with the fruit. I think it makes a really complex, beautiful take on a margarita. So next, we're gonna use our Camerise liqueur, also known as Haskap. It is sort of a Canadian blueberry, brings really fun fruit flavor, a little of that tart blueberry, little kind of black currant, which is gonna pair really lovely with the smokiness of the mezcal and make a nice but very unique margarita. And next, we're gonna use the Solerno blood orange liqueur. Traditionally, you would use kind of a triple sect in a margarita. I really love using the blood orange liqueur. It's not quite as sweet as a lot of triple sects. It brings a really nice high quality element, a lot of that beautiful blood orange flavor, and then a nice booziness as well. So it's going to be kind of the perfect add-in pairing for this margarita. Okay, so let's build our margarita. We're gonna start with a shaker, 1.5 ounces mezcal. It smells so smoky. 1 ounce of our Camerise, 3/4 ounce Solerno, 1/4 ounce simple syrup, 1 ounce lime juice, ice, and shake. Not send it flying all over the place. And then we've got a pretty little rocks glass with a nice big sphere of ice. Garnish with a lime. And you can salt rim too if you like your margaritas that way. Gosh, it's so pretty, look at that. And that is how you make our Mezcal Haskap margarita.